Learn Hindi travel phrases. I don't speak, and do you speak, in
Hindi.
Welcome to Survival Hindi. Hey, you are about to learn 2 tiny phrases that can save your day, your luggage, and possibly your dignity. Let's make Hindi practical, memorable, and a little ridiculous. Imagine you are in a busy station. A man speaks fast, a parrot screams from nowhere, and your brain quietly leaves the building. This is when you need your first shield.
मैं नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
It means, I don't speak. Your second phrase is a polite key.
क्या आप बोलते हैं?
It means, do you speak? With just these 2, you can survive confusion with style. Phrase 1, your polite shield. Say this one when someone talks to you like you have secretly been studying Hindi for 12 years. You have not, and that is okay. The core phrase is,
मैं नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
It means, I don't speak. Break it up like this.
मैं
Means I.
नहीं
Means not.
बोलना.
Means to speak. Example.
मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
I don't speak Hindi. Another useful line.
माफ कीजिए, मैं जर्मन नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
Sorry, I don't speak German. And for dramatic airport energy.
हवाई अड्डे पर मैं कहती हूँ. मैं फ्रेंच नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
Phrase 2, your conversation key. Now let's ask the other person for help, politely and calmly, even if inside you are just a suitcase full of panic. The phrase is,
क्या आप बोलते हैं?
It means, do you speak? A very useful example is,
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं?
Do you speak English? Another one.
माफ कीजिए, क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हैं?
Excuse me, do you speak Hindi? Funny bonus.
क्या आप धीरे बोलते हैं?
Do you speak slowly? Not perfect English logic, but memorable Hindi practice. Think of,
क्या आप बोलते हैं?
as a key that opens conversations. Mini travel story. Let's put both phrases into one silly little scene so your memory has something fun to hold on to. You land in Delhi. You are sleepy. Your phone battery is at 1%, which is the international percentage for emotional damage. A driver asks you a long question in Hindi. You smile and say,
मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
Then you try again.
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं?
He smiles. You survive. The suitcase survives. Everyone survives. Call and repeat. Now repeat after me. Don't worry about perfection. Even a confident parrot needs practice. I don't speak.
मैं नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
I don't speak Hindi.
मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
Sorry, I don't speak German.
माफ कीजिए, मैं जर्मन नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
Do you speak?
क्या आप बोलते हैं?
Do you speak English?
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं?
Excuse me, do you speak Hindi?
माफ कीजिए, क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हैं?
Quick memory tricks. Let's make these phrases stick in your brain like a song you did not ask for but now know forever. 4.
मैं नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
Remember the rhythm.
मैं नहीं बोलता.
Tiny mnemonic, MNB.
मैं नहीं बोलता.
4.
क्या आप बोलते हैं?
Hear it as a polite rising question. If you like gestures, point to yourself 4.
मैं
Shake your head 4.
नहीं.
And open your hand toward the other person 4.
क्या आप?
Tiny quiz, no panic. Time for a fast quiz. If you miss one, no problem, the grammar police are off duty. How do you say, I don't speak? Answer.
मैं नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
How do you say, do you speak? Answer.
क्या आप बोलते हैं?
Translate this.
मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
Answer. I don't speak Hindi. Translate this.
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं?
Answer. Do you speak English? Fill in the blank.
मैं हिंदी _ बोलता, बोलती.
Answer.
नहीं.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. 2 phrases, lots of practice, and not a single suitcase was harmed in this lesson. Today you learned how to say
मैं नहीं बोलता, बोलती.
and.
क्या आप बोलते हैं?
These are small phrases with big travel power. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use them in real situations, and come back again soon for more Hindi. You've got this.